Hello Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo Pisces. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Pisces, please? Pisces. On love and romance. Nurture. Nurture your relationships like blooming flowers. They will flourish. Okay? Pagtuunan ng pansin. Alagaan ang relasyon, Pisces. Romance. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. Okay? May mga romantic gestures para sa inyo. Surprises, hindi mo to in-expect. So, for some, be open. Be open to it. To it. Destiny. The reunion with your twin flame is a destined event. Okay? Merong reunion, pagkikita uli ng inyong twin flame. It is destined to happen. Okay? For some of you, you will be reconnecting with your twin flame. Alone time. Spend some time alone. It will help you gain clarity on your relationship. Okay? Spend some time alone. Para makapag-isip ka ng maayos tungkol sa nangyayari sa inyong relationship. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga tanong, may kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan, okay? You need to spend some time alone, sit with yourself, evaluate the situation, assess, okay? Assess. Tingnan natin. Pisces. Ano yung messages on love and romance for Pisces? Pisces, please. Okay. 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 Your person is frustrated or disappointed about you. Gusto ka ng person mo. Okay. For some, merong isang tao na very attracted sa inyo. Gustong-gusto ka. Yeah. Pero disappointed siya. Okay. Or frustrated sa nangyayari. Okay. Okay. Nag-iisip ng paraan yung taong ito. Okay. Paano makipag-communicate or paano i-develop or i-nurture ang relationship. Okay. He or she is dreaming about you. May gusto ang tao na to sa inyo. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Passionate about you. There's fire. Okay. Disappointment, kabiguan. Hindi niya magawa kung anong gusto niya. Pisces. Okay. Nag-iisip siya ng paraan. Yeah. Nag-iisip ng paraan or hoping, wishing na magkaroon ng development or improvement kung anuman ang sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. Okay? If you are dealing with someone na okay? Someone na may gusto sa inyo. Pentacles. You are thinking about options, Pisces, or you are having a lot of option. You are thinking about it. Yung iba sa inyo, gusto nyong malaman or curious kayo kung ano yung mga options na para sa inyo. Okay? You are assessing your feelings or assessing kung anong nararamdaman ng person na to sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. For some, you are already in a committed relationship, okay? A father, King of Pentacles, a provider. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do not worry, okay? Get some sleep, Pisces. 9 of Swords. Okay? You are thinking about your situation. You're thinking about options, assessing feelings, reviewing. Okay? All these 7 of Cups, you are reviewing, assessing. Okay? You are looking for some truth. Also, for some of you, you are looking for options. And you are just being very careful about your situation. Okay? Nagiging maingat ka lang sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon, Pisces. Someone is involved. Okay? A King of Pentacles. You are dealing with someone. Okay? This may be, ito yung problem, okay? Or challenge in the situation. Okay? Tingnan natin. 3 of Swords. Yeah, 3 of Wands. Someone is disappointed kasi parang walang expansion, walang development, okay? Towards you. Walang development with you. Frustrated siya kasi walang expansion, walang potential. Something like that. Okay? Gusto ng person na to develop a relationship with you. Okay? Parang bigo or disappointed siya sa plans niya, Pisces. Here you are, maybe you have lots of options, okay? Or maraming kang suitors, maraming naniligaw o may gusto sa inyo. And parang ina-assess ninyo ang sitwasyon, okay? It's giving you sleepless nights or nag-worry or nag-iisip ka sa sitwasyon mo. Yeah, you want to know kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ng tao na to sa inyo. Okay? You are curious as well. King of Pentacles. Ano itong King of Pentacles? Ah, sorry. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Ay, too many. Ang dami. Ace of Wands, please. Ace of Wands. Yeah, Page of Cups. So the challenge is someone wants to express their feelings on you. Okay. Pero You are already in a committed relationship. Yeah, that's why it's giving you sleepless nights or nag-iisip ka. Yeah. A wise person, okay, a provider. For some of you, this is someone na matalino, wise, a consultant, a boss. Okay. This is a challenge for you. You don't know what to do. Ace of Wands, please. The Sun. Yeah. For some of you, the Sun, you are dealing with a Leo. Fiery. Fire. Very passionate about you. Okay. Very attracted sa inyo. Okay. Gusto niya lang din magkaroon ng kaliwanagan ang sitwasyon with you. Okay. Kung meron mang hindi pagkakaintindihan, merong conflict with this person, gusto niyang ayusin yon. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So the person is thinking or hoping na magkaroon ng relasyon, okay, with you. Ten of Pentacles. Pagkaroon ng trustworthy relationship. Gusto i-nurture kung ano man ang meron kayo ngayon. Gusto niya i-grow yon, okay? Something mature. Yeah. Seven of Cups. Yeah, the person wants to be close with you. Okay. Yeah, your person feels that you are a trustworthy person. Yeah. The person also thinks about a family. Okay. Nag-iisip siya ng ways how to improve. Maybe yes, there is a blockage or a challenge. Ten of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, there is family and commitment. And disappointed yung person na yan, okay? Because there is a commitment already, you are already committed, or it's the other way around. Okay, there is a concern about family. Just take what resonates for you, Pisces, and leave the rest. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups, please. And Seven of Cups. Three of Cups. Yeah. Yeah, you're thinking about the authenticity. Kung totoo ba to or ito ay fun lang. Okay? You're also thinking about the people around you, the Three of Cups. Okay? Yeah. Three of Cups. You're thinking options. You are being careful. If you let this situation or relationship there will be a 3 of cups, okay, or third party, 3 people involved, okay, and it is something that is stressing you. So nag-overthink ka, okay. Yeah, the challenge is if this someone is going to offer you something, a relationship or commitment, you're thinking about being in a third party relationship. You are being careful. So, you are making a complex decision sa iyong sitwasyon. Okay? Napapaisip ka. Ace of Cups. Bakit may Ace of Cups? Okay. King of Pentacles again. Okay. Yeah. Commitment. Love. Great love with someone who is a provider, a father. Okay. Yes. Merong resurgence of love na nangyayari for some of you. Someone who is a King of Pentacles. Okay. Someone na nire-respeto mo. Okay. A father figure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's why this person is heartbroken because there is no expansion, there is no development. He or she is attracted to you, okay? Gusto niya na maging happy ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay, thinking about, hoping na magkaroon, hoping siya na maging okay, magkaroon ng development yung relationship, okay? But then there is a concern about 10 of Pentacles sa family. Okay. So, 9 of Swords. Sometimes, okay. Okay, 5 of Cups. Okay. Okay. So, someone is disappointed and worried about the situation. Merong sleepless night. Okay. Yeah. So, merong challenges or blockages for the both of you to be together. Okay? So, avoid thinking about the situation, Pisces. Take care of yourself. Yeah. Okay? Be hopeful also that na maging okay ang sitwasyon mo. Okay? Na maging maayos. Yeah. Okay. So, merong worriness and sleepless night in the situation. Nag-iisip kasi merong disappointment. Okay? About the situation. Someone is sad and in great sorrow. 3 of Swords. Okay. So, do what is right for you. Pisces, there is a resurgence of love with someone, a father figure, a committed one. Okay. Someone that you respect. Someone who is a provider. Okay. Someone who is serious and patient. Yeah. Okay. Someone who is dependable and a protector. Okay. Alright. So, there is no need to worry for some of you. Just take what resonates for you, Pisces. For some, it's the other way around. Baliktarin yung sitwasyon. This is you that is hurt. Okay? You want someone. You are very attracted to someone. Okay? But you are also thinking about your family. Okay? Thinking about to provide financial stability and security para sa family mo. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are disappointed because your person is having a third party, okay, other relationship, or is involved or busy, okay, sa work, something like that. And there is a lack expression of commitment and love. But there will be a resurgence of love, okay? May pagbabalik, okay? Mabubuhay uli yung sitwasyon or yung pagmamahal sa isa't isa. So, there's no need to worry, okay? Let go. Take care of yourself, Pisces. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga ibang messages for Pisces, please. Some hidden truth for Pisces. Hidden truths. Pisces. Pisces, some hidden truths. I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay. I want to be more than friends. Yeah, someone wants to be more than friends with you. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Okay. One more. I knew exactly what I was doing. Okay. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa'yo. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!